In this particular video, I am going to talk about how to take a screenshot. So many people, this is a very basic, but many people don't know how to do that. Some people think that they will install the third party app to take a screenshot, but since you are using a Poco or Redmi, this feature is already inbuilt available in this MIUI. So how you can take a screenshot? So for this, go is just scroll down little bit and you can notice that here some of the toggle icon is available. Okay, so for example, here you can see the second one is a screenshot. If you want to take a screenshot, then just need to click here this one and a screenshot will be taken. It is very simple. Just click here and you can notice the screenshot is taken. This is the one way. Sometimes this icon and toggle is not available. In that case, you just need to click here the edit and available toggle. In this section you will find the screenshot option will be available because it is not present there. So for example, just I cross it and done. You can notice there are no option for the screenshot, right? So again I will click here and now you can notice that screenshot is come in this particular section, this one. Just click here, now a screenshot is added. But if you want to move this, then okay, so this is here available. Now you can take a screenshot using this toggle. Just I click here the done and you can notice that screenshot is icon is available here in this particular place. Again click here and just hold that particular icon, and whenever you want to move you can move it. For example, here I want to make a screenshot because regularly I am using this screenshot, so I can take at this place and then save. And now you can notice that the screenshot is now at this particular place. This is the one way. Another way is that just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to go to the additional settings, this one, and button shortcut. Here you can notice that take a screenshot option is available. You can set a shortcut to take a screenshot. For example, 3 fingers slide down. This option looks perfect for me because generally I am not using 3 fingers. But if you want to use a 3 finger, then it is a better option to select this shortcut. Otherwise, other shortcut is also available like long press home button. However, if you will press the home button, then Google Assistant is also available. So this will collide and this will create some problem. So if you will not choose this option, this will be very better. If I will try to select this, then also it is saying that long press the home button is shortcut for the launch Google Assistant. Replace with take screenshot. So are you want to replace? If yes, then you can. Otherwise, I will suggest that don't use this shortcut home button, because lots of time people are using Google Assistant through this long press home button. Okay. Then other option like power plus home, it means power button and home button, other are available. So let's check that 3 finger slide is working perfectly fine or not. Just hold 3 finger and just slide it down little bit. Now you can notice that screenshot is taken. So in this way you can take a screenshot or send to anyone. However, one more note here that some app don't allow to take a screenshot, like Paytm or some banking related thing where some of the sensitive sensitive data is available, where they will not allow to take a screenshot. In that particular case you cannot take a screenshot. Otherwise you are free to do in the Android phone. Most of the app are allowing to take a screenshot. So thank you for watching.